Dear students of 11th class, in continuation of our chapter The Origin and Evolution of the Earth, today we are going to study about the formation of planets. जैसा कि हमने इस चैप्टर में देखा है कि बिग बैंग थ्योरी से हमने शुरू किया था। बिग बैंग के साथ ही ये तमाम चीज़ें जुड़ी हुई हैं। इसमें हमने पहले स्टार फॉर्मेशन देखा था। आज हम देखेंगे कि हाउ प्लैनेट्स हैव फॉर्म्ड। So far as the formation of planets is concerned, there are three stages in the formation of planets. First stage is the stars are localized lumps of gas within a nebula. The gravitational force within the lumps leads to the formation of a core to the gas cloud, and a huge rotating disk of gas and dust develops around the gas core. Yet can I patmis lessons man patmis topics man why star formation paran stars form guy stars benai yemayo staro mazan guy kinson star mazan so process yatish vanan chu amon and guy jama huge cloud of gases. The important guy at stars mazan jikom ki due to gravitational force is at mazan generate go use inner part of this star that was converted into core. The at Indian guy pat war huge amounts mazan bucky yes gases dust particles वगैरह guy at certain jama tum roid at Indian jama gachan. Empathius at doyim stage emanchu. In the next stage, the gas cloud starts getting condensed and the matter around the core develops into small rounded objects. These small rounded objects, by the process of cohesion, develop into what is called planetesimals. It can which ऐसे दोइम स्टेजस मजन युस अत अंद अंद गैस यह गैस गो कंडेंस लोग पत गने यह सोरी स्टार स्टारस मन कोर बनाव अम पे अत नबर किन नेबुला गैस क्लाउड दिस क्लाउड गेट्स कंडेंस्ड तो अम सतन बना अत नबर किन लकट 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 बाल हिश तमन बालन यम अत सत रोज बनान तमन बालन वनान दे आर कॉल्ड planetesimals. Large bodies starting forming by collision and gravitational attraction causes the materials to stick together. Yumai material with the help of with the process of collision this material atim lakch bal hish banay yum bal roz akh ke satin lagatar jurvit rozit to yumai banay planetesimals. Planetesimals are large number of smaller bodies. Planetesimals guy yum has such a large number of small bodies. The third stage was planet formation. In the final stage, these large number of small planetesimals accrete to form fewer large bodies in the form of planets. So, yum at yum planetesimals at stars yum planetesimals benai bal hishim at benai yumai bal yum sadan pat panway rally. तो यमो बनो पत अख बोड बार स्ट्रक्चर अख यथ इस वनान छ प्लैनेट यथ कनन छ दुनिया यथ कायनातस मजन एमि प्रोसेस जरिए 8 प्लैनेट वजूदस मजन आमत यमन 8 प्लैनेटन यम सैनिस यथ solar systems manzan ekis wichan chh. Planet yatam planet hisab chu planet chu iman a planet is a celestial body. Planet is a celestial body that is an orbit around the sun, has a sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome rigid body forces so that it assumes a hydrostatic equilibrium nearly round shape. Planets ch ekis maksus ekis dairis manzan orbitus manzan movement karan aftabas andin to beishu aman pani ak gravity ak asan yim gravity setin yim ekis equilibrium position manzan at orbitus man rozan ch has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. The planeten mutalik chu imaman planeten hasa chu zikasum. The first 4 planets known as inner planets. Yet kan es wichan chu solar systems manzan chu kul 8 planet. 8 planet manz yim godi 4 planet chu first 4 planets they are known as inner planets. Yat manz Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars iman chu have denser material with a rocky and hard structure. These are also known as terrestrial planets. Yemen zorn planeten yat man Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars iman chu yemen chu asan hard rocky structure chamun asan in surface chu asan hard rocky. The yemen planeten chu ismanan they are called terrestrial planets because of their Earth-like qualities. The outer planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made up of lighter materials consisting of gases. They are also called Jovian or gas planets. Empath yim baki 4 planet rozan chi yim manan chi outer planets. Tamun manzun chi iman outer planet manzun chi iman Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, the Neptune. The yim planet chi banamit yim godi 4 planet is banamit Earth. Yes, yatman Earth te os iman, Mars te os iman, Venus te os iman, Mercury te os iman. Is banamit rocky material setin. The yim outer planet chu yatman Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, the Neptune iman chu yim chu gas nahin banamit tawas yim wanan Jovian or gas planets are also called them. It kanan wuch ashe ki yim zu group yim planeten hanchu terrestrial planets and Jovian planets or terrestrial planets and gaseous planets. Godik 4 planet the lastic 4 planet. Yim planet chu separate karit ak kis nishin godik 4 chu doimo 4 nishin sub on darmiyan ak boundary ak yatish manan chu. These two groups of planets are separated from each other by a belt of asteroids. Aman don grupun darmiyan ak belt ak that is called asteroids. It kanan wuch eski